Hi, my name is Tony Shinaka, and I live in Florida. I work for a construction materials company here in the Orlando area. Recently, I damaged my thumb drive that carried most of my purchase orders and contracts for large commercial jobs. Unfortunately, the damage was done, but I was able to find Pitt's Global Recovery Services online. I found them pretty easily, sent them an email. They gave me a brief description of what they can do. I sent my thumb drive in the very next day. So within a few days, they had given me all my options. I received confirmation yesterday that all the data was recovered and would be sent back and put on another thumb drive and returned to me at a fair cost. So I'm super thankful for Pitt's Global Recovery Services and look forward to getting all my information back and getting my 2023 year off strong. Thanks.